Welcome to ClubExpress. We make it easy to create, manage, and sustain your club or association. In this demo, learn how to use ClubExpress to mass log and approve volunteering hours for your members. Let's get started. If volunteers worked at an event that wasn't associated with a ClubExpress volunteering opportunity, you can still log their hours in your account. To mass log hours, go to the Control panel. Under the People tab, choose Volunteering. On the Volunteering Administration page, choose Mass Log Hours. From the Mass Log Hours page, use the search field to find all volunteer hours completed by volunteers. You can filter the results by a specific opportunity, slot, date, or volunteer name. Once you find the correct volunteer, choose the checkbox to the left of their name and add or update the number of hours they worked from the Log Hours column. Make sure to choose the Save button at the bottom to save your changes. If someone volunteered without signing up online, you can still add their hours. From the Mass Log Hours page, you can add volunteers to an existing opportunities slot and record the hours they worked. Choose the Single Member Volunteers button or Multiple Member Volunteers button to add one or more volunteers that are members of your club. Choose the Single Non-Member Volunteer button to add a volunteer who's not a member of your club. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.